In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find local businesses on WhatsApp. To get started, open WhatsApp on your phone. Once the app is open, look for the chat or search icon and tap it. This is the area where you can begin exploring conversations, contacts, and, in some regions, business discovery features. If your app layout looks a little different, don't worry. WhatsApp can vary slightly depending on your device or app version, but the general idea is the same. You want to enter the section where you can search or start a new chat. From there, scroll down and look for the Businesses section, or the Business Directory, if that feature is available in your region. This is where WhatsApp may show businesses that have set up verified accounts, so users can discover and contact them more easily. If you don't see this option right away, it may simply mean the feature hasn't rolled out in your area yet, or it may appear under a slightly different label depending on your version of the app. Once you're inside the business discovery area, you can start browsing in a way that feels most convenient for you. One option is to explore by category. For example, you might see categories like shopping, restaurants, or other local services. This is useful if you're not looking for one specific business, but you want to see what's available nearby. Browsing by category can help you quickly narrow down your options and discover businesses you may not have known were on WhatsApp. If you already know what you're looking for, you can use the search bar instead. Type in the name of a business, a type of service, or even a general keyword related to what you need. This can help you find local business accounts more directly. As you search, pay attention to verified business profiles, since these can give you more confidence that you're viewing an authentic account. Take a moment to review the results and choose the business that matches what you need. From there, you can usually open the profile, learn more about the business, and start a conversation directly through WhatsApp if you want more information. That's all it takes to find local businesses on WhatsApp. It's a simple feature that can make it much easier to connect with nearby shops, restaurants, and services right from the app you already use every day.